Afternoon, folks. Grandpa Greenwald, old man with a pan. Well, I went today and I bought this big chicken. It's a big old chicken, 6 pounds, and we're gonna spatch it. We put it in a giant skillet and get it brown, and then we're gonna set it in the oven and finish baking it. So let's see what we can do here with this chicken. There you go. We got that chicken spatched real quick. Let me get some seasoning. Actually, I'm gonna put it in the pan and season. Let me get this dried off here, and we'll stick it in the pan. All right, I had to rinse that pan a little bit. It's been hanging on the wall and picked up a little bit of dust. All right, we got this 16-inch skillet here. Let me lay that out. Wow. Big old chicken in a big old pan. Okay, a little bit of coarse salt on it. A little bit under the wings. Let me try this over. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Get some down in there. And while I have it turned over, we're going to just salt and pepper it real good. Need to get a little bit of oil down in that pan. All right, let's go get it on the fire. Holy moly, here's our chicken. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank goodness for that helper handle there. We'd never be able to lift that thing. Let's try that a little bit and see how. The problem is it's so bright out here, you can't see the fire. You don't know how big that fire is. I'm going to turn it up a hair more. We can always turn it down. Well, we're doing fine, doing just fine there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I need to try to get some sort of lid on that. Clean it up. Well, I don't have a big dome lid, but I'm going to go ahead and set that one on there, try to keep some of that steam in there. And I'll bring a little broth or something to dump in the bottom of that pan. We got a lot of... Turn that down just a hair. There you go. We'll let that cook a little bit. Okay, let's see what we got here. Yummy, yummy. Wow. All right. Yummy, 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 yummy. Alright. What we're going to do, we're going to get this nice and brown. Then I'll take this whole pan and set it in the oven. I got some bell peppers to throw around the edges. Pretty darn hot out here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Spatchcock chicken. Alright, let's get these peppers in here so we don't have to. Oh, look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. These have been, oh, look at all the little jalapenos. We're good. We're good. Golden. Well, we can just set that right directly in the oven. Got our jalapenos already cooked down in the pan. We got chunks of garlic down in the pan. Red bells. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's take it in, put it in the oven. All righty, 375. They're gonna put an hour and 15 minutes. Oh, that ought to be yummy. Shaky. Holy moly. All right. Let's see what we got. Golly. I need something to poke around. There you go. I'll poke around with this, but I need to turn this pan so I don't accidentally hurt myself there. It's looking yummy, yummy, yummy. What do you think, folks? Spatchcock chicken. Let's see what we got. This is a big, thick breast here. Let's see what we got on there. We have 189 degrees. 191 degrees. Let's just check it a few times. 195. So we clearly are over our 160. We're over 200 degrees there. And down in one of the thighs, over 200 degrees. So we're up to temp. We're up to temp. We're gonna let it cool down just a little bit and see if we pull some of this apart. Wow, that's good. Look at this piece of garlic that I found in there. There's another garlic over here. Wow, can't wait to taste this. Alrighty, we're gonna call success anyway. We might not get back. I might just dive into it and devour it, but we're calling success. Great looking chicken. Fall apart. Wow. Cut a leg in a diameter. Look at this. Didn't even have to cut it. Just a big old chunk of garlic. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Get in my tummy. Oh yeah, oh yeah.